Okay, today we shall be talking about we shall be we shall be talking about Eviews. The Eviews, the software, right? Software. So how to handle Eviews software. That one we shall be talking about today. How to handle Eviews software. That one we shall be talking today. So, uh, okay, so here already I have two variable GDP import. I have these two variable already here. So, and here actually, and I shall be showing how to generate variables and how to estimate these variables using estimated regression line. All these things I shall be talking today. Okay. Okay, so first I show all these variables. I have data that is GDP and import. I have these two data. So two data, one is GDP and one is import, that is IMP. So I have these two variable. So I can make it zoom so that you can see better. So I have make it zoom, GDP and import, and the sample size is from 1970 to 1980. There are 11 observation. Okay, so now I can open all the variables at a time. Okay, suppose here I open all the variables. Okay, what I do, first I select these two variable by pressing on the control button. There is a called control button on the keyboard. You click on the control button on the keyboard and select these two variable. Those are GDP and import. Okay, then I can open the variable as a group. So these are my variables, right? These are my data from 1970 to 1980, right? Okay. Okay, now, okay. The question is that how to create more variable. How to create more variable and how to create first difference and second difference data. So that is the question. Okay. Okay, so first I create the lag variable. Suppose the lag variable of GDP, right? How to create? Okay, now okay, first I check how to create variable. How to create new variable. Suppose our new variable is consumption, CONS, right? New variable is consumption. How to create it? This new variable consumption. Okay, what I do? I click on my mouse on the right side of the mouse. We have a mouse. So I click on the right side of the mouse. As a result, new object has been created. So you choose the new object. So I choose new object. Then from here, from the new object, you can see, from the new object, you choose series. You choose the series, that is the new object. And here, name of the object. So our new variable or our new series is consumption. So I write it cons, C-O-N-S in brief. Cons means consumption. So I can create this new object or new series or new variable or new data. So I press OK. You can see here the cons is created. The folder of the cons is created, right? Now I can insert data here. Okay, how to insert data? You click on the cons and you can see there are no data. It is the cons variable but no data. So now we can insert data, right? Okay, how to insert data? There must be a key. There must be a door to open. Okay, how to key in data? So you click on the edit. If you click on the edit, only then you can insert data of consumption, that is cons. So the edit is the gateway to insert data. So I click on the edit. You see the door is open. Okay, now I can insert data. I put it 100, suppose 1970 100, then 120, then 115, right? Then 160, then 120, then 134, 134, 123, 150, 154, then 160. So I have inserted data, all the data. All right. So the data has been inserted. Now I need to save it. Otherwise, this variable will be removed from this file. So I must save it to preserve it. Okay, how to save? I go to File, then I choose the Save. So then you choose the OK, right? So this variable has been saved. So now you can see all the variables. We have 3 variables, right? Now you can see consumption, GDP, and import. So I can open all the variables as a group. Open as a group. So you can see our 3 variables now. Last time we have 2 variables. Now a new variable has been created, that is cons. Okay, this is the way to create new variable in the work file. This one actually called work file. You can see from here, work file. So this one is the work file. So here I have created one new variable, that is cons. Okay, now I shall show you how to create lag variable. Suppose 1 period lag, 2 period lag, 3 period lag. What does mean by lag? Lag means, suppose I say 1 period lag, meaning that last period. If I say 2 period lag, meaning that last 2 period. So that those are the lag variable. Okay, suppose I shall be creating lag variable for import, right? Import, I shall be creating IMP. Okay, how to create lag variable for import? Okay, first I choose the lag1 of import. First variable, suppose lag1 of import. How to create it? So the same procedure, I first make the shoulder. First, sorry, not shoulder. First I have to make the folder of lag1 IMP. How to create the folder? New folder like this. The same procedure, I click on the right hand side of the mouse, then I choose the new object, then here I choose the series, then I choose the variable. Suppose the name of the variable is lag1 IMP, lag1 of IMP. That means 1 period lag of import variable. So that I create here. You can see lag of 1 import, meaning that my new variable, the name I have given lag1 IMP, right? Lag1 IMP. Okay, so that is our variable, new variable. Okay, now question is that how to create. Okay, we have created the folder, right? It is the folder we have created, but inside the folder, what is there? I click on the folder, there is nothing. You can see lag IMP. Here is no data, but I need to insert data. That is lag 1 period lag of IMP. Okay, how to insert data? That we can do now. Okay, how to insert data? So I have to make the command to insert data. Okay, what is the command? Okay, lag 1 IMP is equal to, should be lag of IMP. That is the command of Eviews. Now, sorry, I have done mistake here. You have to write the command this way: IMP -1. So meaning that IMP lag 1. So that is called lag1 IMP. Okay, then after taking the cursor here, you just enter. So as a result, you can see inside this folder lag1 IMP, the data has been inserted. So I click here, you can see lag1 IMP, the data has been inserted. Okay. Okay, in this way I can also create, suppose, lag to IMP, right? That means 2 period lag of import variable. I can also create it. Okay. How to create it? As before, first I make the shoulder, sorry, not shoulder, folder of this one. Okay, how to create the variable or folder? As before, I click on the right hand side of the mouse, then I choose new object, then I choose series, then I put lag to IMP. So this is the thing I have created, lag to IMP. So it is the new folder or new variable. Okay, then I press OK. So here lag to IMP has been created, but I need to insert data. Okay, how to insert data? The same way we have done. So lag to IMP, it means that IMP -2, meaning that 2 period lag of IMP, right? Then after it you enter, you must take the cursor here and press on the enter. If you don't press on the enter, the variable will not be created, the data will not be inserted. Okay, now I have created IMP, lag1 IMP, lag2 IMP. Okay, now I can open all the 3 variables at a time. So I select all by pressing on the control button, So do not leave your finger from the control button. Suppose you first press your finger on the control button in the keyboard and keep it there and continue to select. Okay, now you can remove your finger from the control button because all 3 have been selected already. Okay, now again you click on the right button of the cursor, then you can see the sorry I've done a mistake, sorry. Okay, so click on the right button of the okay, sorry I choose the 3, right, as before. Click on the right button of the mouse. As a result, this thing will come up, then go to open, then as a group, yes, then you can see the 3 variable. So the IMP is the current period import variable, and it is 1 period lag of import, and it is 2 period lag of import. You can see what is happened here. So just 110 has come here, 120 has come here, 130 has come here, 125 has come here, but 130 has been disappeared completely from here. Okay, in the similar way, lag to IMP, what is it? You can see from here, this 110 has come here, 120 come here. In this way, 213 has come here, and 125 has been disappeared completely. So this is the way to generate lag 1, lag 2. So you can produce more lag variable such as lag 2, lag 3 and so on. You can do it. Okay. That means import. This one is the current period of import. This is the lag 1 period of import and it is the lag 2 period of import. And now you can develop the model using these three variables, meaning that you can estimate the regression line with these three variables. Such as, I can give example. I can take the quick, right, estimate equation. So first I put IMP, then constant, then lag 1 IMP, then our another variable lag 2 IMP, right? So this is our variable, this is our model. So here IMP is the dependent variable, C is the constant, lag 1 IMP is the independent variable, and lag 2 IMP is another independent variable. Now I can easily estimate this model. And here this model actually called auto-regressive model, because the dependent variable, that is IMP, has come here as a independent variable in the form of lag, and also IMP has come here in the independent variable as a lag 2. So when the dependent variable come to independent variable with lag, then this type of model is called auto-regressive model. That means she is regressing herself. So this type of model is called auto-regressive model or dynamic model. Same meaning, auto-regressive model or dynamic model. Okay, and we can easily estimate this dynamic model or auto-regressive model. So here, okay, I can make a zoom for you so that you can see better. I can say IMP, lag 1 IMP and lag 2 IMP. So the dependent variable has come as a independent variable with lag 1 and lag 2. So this type of model is called auto-regressive model or dynamic model. And I can easily estimate this model, right? So what I do, I just press OK and the result has come up. You can see this is the dependent variable IMP in the current period, and this is the IMP in the 1 period lag. This is the IMP in the 2 period lag. And now we can check about this model. That means how much is the R square, whether F statistics is significant or not, and we can check whether lag 1 is significant or not, lag 2 is significant or not, and so on. And also we check whether residuals are heteroscedasticity or not. We can check whether there is serial correlation or not. We can also check whether the residual is normally distributed or not. We can do so many things with this dynamic model.